Hello everyone, I am Steve working as a full stack developer at Office Solution. I am going to present price elasticity heat map. So let's start by filling values. So what is price elasticity heat map? It is an economic measure that indicates how much the quantity demanded of a good or a service changes in response to change in its price. And how we are calculating this data? We are calculating with the help of four values, that is old price, old quantity and new quantity. And the formula used is percentage change in quantity demand upon percentage change in price. And total revenue impact and average elasticity values are also calculated with the help of elasticity data. These are the color legend which is used for each cell with the range of 10% for each color. And then these are the product fields and these are the region field we are using for this table. So let's start by putting with the license key for a premium feature. After putting a license key, we have price slider, new projected revenue, change in demand, increase decrease in revenue, and change in profit margin. So how we are calculating this new projected revenue? It is calculated with the help of projected price into projected quantity, and change in demand percentage is calculated by change in demand upon old quantity into 100, and increase and decrease in the values is calculated by new price into new quantity minus old price into old quantity, and the profit margin change is calculated by new revenue minus old revenue upon old revenue into 100. And all these features are connected with this price slider, where when we increase the percentage in the price, we can see every values are changes with this price slider.